In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Spotify when it's down or not working. Spotify is a beloved platform for music lovers, but sometimes it encounters glitches or downtime. If you're facing these issues, try these methods with us. 1. Check if Spotify is down. Sometimes Spotify may experience service interruptions. Check if others are experiencing similar issues, or use another device to see if Spotify works. 2. Close and reopen the app. If Spotify isn't working locally, try closing and responding the app. This can help resync data and resolve minor issues. Just go to Settings, Apps, See All Apps, Spotify, and then force stop. 3. Check for app updates. Ensure that your Spotify app is up to date. Older versions may not function properly. To do so, open your Google Play Store, click on your profile icon, and then Manage Apps and Devices. Updates available, and then click on Update Spotify. 4. Check for system updates. Update your device's operating system to ensure compatibility and performance improvements. Just head to Settings, System, About Phone, and then check for updates. 5. Restart your phone. Just press the power and volume up button simultaneously and tap Restart to do it. 6. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable, restart your router if necessary, and verify mobile data settings is using cellular data. If none help, clearing the app's cache can resolve corrupted data issues. Just go to Settings, and then Apps, Spotify, Storage and Cache, and then click on Clear Cache. Or uninstall and reinstall the Spotify app to clear cache memory. And make sure that you have sufficient storage space for Spotify downloads, because Spotify requires your storage to download the songs to listen to offline. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.